My name is Reverend Njiro Wa Joshua. I am the chairman of the Association of Pentecostal Vocational Training Institutions of Kenya, shortly known as APVOTIC. Today we came to be guests at the graduation ceremony for Shepherds Bible Institute in Kisii. We have a few things we want to bring to attention of the Kenyans concerning what is happening today by a few people that are peddling lies. We, as an association, we are a professional body. We are advocating for professionalism in the church sector. And in a special attention, we have a concern because of the Pentecostal, charismatic, and indigenous communities that are serving in Kenya, and it is alleged that they are non-starters. We want to bring to the attention that this is a serious team of clergy in Kenya, and it does not mean that because they are not in the mainstream, we are not a people. We shall not be taken as underdogs in the church sector. As a result, we have petitioned the parliament to recognize the Pentecostal ministers. We have petitioned the parliament to consider legislation of a law under the TVET Act to provide a platform that will create a legal framework that will recognize the Bible schools in Kenya that are largely serving from the Pentecostal and the charismatic quarters. We want to refuse some of the people that are peddling lies that we are a government agent, that we have been cheated, that we are a sellout. No, we are a professional association that is advocating for the Christian ministry in Kenya to be considered balanced. We also want to strongly reject the Gusiiland that is happening in Kenya today. And we want to urge our politicians to remain focused on building Kenya. We may not necessarily be supporting the one-term or the two-term slogan, but we are strongly rejecting the panorama that is ongoing, creating divisions among Kenyans. As church, as ministers within the Pentecostal and charismatic circles, we encourage all Kenyans who are in politics, and especially those that are in power, to avoid dividing the church, to avoid defending Kenya. We want to remain united, and we do not want a scenario to be created like the one that happened in 2007. We do not want a Kenyan to fight another Kenyan. We want to be united, and we want to be recognized as men and women serving in the church sector. Thank you very much.